Good morning class. I am Premlata, HOD Social Science. Today we will discuss about the 10th class Civics chapter 1st, power sharing. So in today's topic we will discuss the forms of power sharing. Firstly, you all are aware about the sharing of the powers in different social groups and different levels and organs. So all these things we will discuss today. You all are aware that why there is need to share the powers among the different persons. Why not a single person is the holder of the all powers? Because of now the time has been changed. All the people are aware about their rights and duties. So they are demanding for their rights like that equality, freedom and expressions. So our today's topic, forms of power sharing. In today's topic, we will be discuss that how can we share the power in a country among different social groups. How can we all the members take participation in the lawmaking process as well as in decision taking process. So there are some types of power sharing. First one is horizontal power sharing. Horizontal power sharing means the power can be shared equally. So, the horizontal power can be shared among the different organs of the government. Organs of the government are working like the parts of human bodies. Eyes can be do the work of see. Ears can be do the work of hear. Like that, all three organs are independent. They are doing their work independently. Like that, legislature do the work of making laws. Executive implement those laws. And the judiciary that take decision on the basis of evidences. So, power is shared horizontally in three organs of the government. Next, vertical division of power sharing. Vertical division of powers. Power can be shared among different levels of the government. Levels of government means it is not possible to control the whole country from a particular place. So, the power can be shared central, states and local bodies. Most of the important issues and subjects, these can be handed over to the central government, and those subjects which can be related to the state governments can be under the control of state government, and some local issues can be handed over to the local government. Next one, the power can be shared between social groups. Power can be shared between social groups. So we can say society is the group of different social groups. In society so many groups are living together. So power can be shared on the basis of linguistic groups, religious groups and some poor section of society, they are demand for some reservations. That's why reservation should be provided to some social groups whenever need. The best example of the power sharing among different social groups is the community government in Belgium. Our next part is the power sharing among social groups, political parties and pressure groups. So you all are aware about the political parties. The political parties are those parties which are formed for contesting elections, getting majority and run the government. Then pressure groups. Pressure groups are those groups. Some people make the groups to fulfill their some needs. These peoples are not taking participation in elections, but they affect the government policies from outside with the help of strikes, with the help of picketings like that. So freedom to choose the political leaders. Political parties, different parties should be there so that people can use the freedom of elections? Pressure groups. Power can be shared among the pressure groups like that. Sometimes the doctors are on strike, nurses are on strike, sometimes the roadway staffs on strikes because they want to fulfill their demand. They are demanding something from the government. When they complete their issues, then they go back on their duties. So there is main difference between the political parties and the pressure groups. Listen again carefully. Pressure groups are not taking participate in elections like the political parties, but they put impact on the government policies. They put effect on the government policies to fulfill their own demands. So with the help of this topic, we are able to know the horizontal division of powers, vertical division of powers, power share between different social groups, power sharing between political parties and pressure groups. Now you will write the answer of question. What are the forms of power sharing in modern democracies? Write one example of each. Thank you. Have a nice day.